Hey guys, welcome back to Outdoor Man. Thanks for joining me for another episode. Today's just a quick one. We're going to be replacing the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2021 Subaru Forester. I am going to be using this 14-inch reflex blade. This is the one I chose to use today. I'll just show you before I unclip it here. If you look right in here, there's a little ball. See that little indent? That's where you're going to want to match up with your new one. I'm going to put the indent on the same side. So it just folds up like so. Comes right off. Just take your new one. You want to make sure that nubbin's on the right side. So we're going to go down over here, in, and it should just be a slight twist here. The one-handed awkwardness. And that's it. We're done. So that was just a quick video today. You need to redo your rear wiper on a 2021 Forester. So there's the dimple there. And it was going towards the back side. So it's a short one today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. It's just a quick video today. Please like and subscribe if you like things like this. I repair and fix all kinds of things. Get outside. That's where it's at. That was the product that we used today. Very simple to install. I could even do it one-handed. So thanks so much for joining me on Outdoor Man, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.